Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this video effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep getting content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already created a new project. So you can see an empty project here, and just would like to add the same video as I used before, just increasing the size and also adding the letters. Reducing the size. Later I will increase anyhow. Oops, this is not good. So selecting all, reduce the size, moving somewhere to here, now a bit increasing and creating the word. So juice, selecting all 5 letters, position and tidy up. And now selecting all and moving to here. It doesn't look the same size. No, it's the same size, I think. Yes. Okay, so moving the video, what I used, and now I start to fill the letters. One more. Yeah. And now double click on the letter. Then start to increase the size of the video. Till I have the same as the other one, the background one. Okay, I'm doing the eye last time because it's, you know, yes, now it's the same. And the E in the end. Okay, now it's, can do it time to time. That's difficult. The system doesn't want to do what you want, especially with this small letter like I. Okay, now I can do it. And to the left. Okay, now I wanted to see. Not perfect. Somewhere in the E is not, and the I is not perfect. Perfectly match. Because okay, now yeah, just a bit like this, I think. Yeah, now it's better. Good. And the last step is we need a element. Going to the shapes, and we can use the normal square or with this rounded square. Now I will use this rounded square and just up and down a bit, and going to the click on it, position, layers, and we move it down below all the text, all the letters. So if I'm going back to the arrange, middle, center, and now we have this nice effect. Actually, I know we can do it in a different way when we create this frame and we cutting the letters, but I think this is way easier just to create use the letter forms and adding this rounded square behind, and I think that's really easy, really good, really eye-catching animation. We can do something different if we want. If, for example, we can add the shadows of the letters if we want to have it more separated from the. Let me try what I talk. So going to the position, layers, and selecting the letters and on the stroke, just a very tiny stroke like this, might be 2. Yeah, it's even better with this small, very tiny stroke. And maybe we can even change the color of the stroke to stroke color, scrolling down to this gradient and to this golden one. It's even better, I think. Yeah. And maybe for this golden one, we can increase the stroke. But I think this is also already amazing now, so I'm fully satisfied with it. So this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm, so let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you're struggling anything in Canva, just let me know and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check a description where you can find the links for my Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram pages, where you can find a bunch of another tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, listed in a Facebook page. And of course, in the Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find our short form Canva tutorials. As I already mentioned, you can find a link in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.